Hello there, my name's Tracy Elsom and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator based in Canada, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have a really quick solution for you. I'm filming this while Hurricane Teddy is doing its worst outside, so if you hear any howling and whistling, that's what's going on outside the door. Okay, so what I have for you today is a very quick solution for when you're making up these beautiful little cracker favours from the September paper pumpkin kit called Hello Pumpkin. This is one of the designs you can make. There's lots and lots of different pieces that you put together, and every one could be different. There are lots and lots of things to do, and the crackers themselves are double-sided, so you can make them with the gingham side out or with the striped side out. But what I wanted to show you today was a solution for using these little strips. These are the strips that fix the cracker into a little cylinder. So let me show you my solution. Works every time, and it saves you trying to pick the adhesive off this sheet. So we have a clear plastic sheet, then we have the adhesive strip on it, and they're all separate. So what I do is I bend back the plastic sheet over my finger and lift off the backing paper. Now I can see, I hope you can see that little bit of adhesive still on the plastic backing. So then what I do is I turn that over and I can see through the plastic. I can see, and hopefully you can too, I can see the adhesive. I can see here where the fold line is on my cracker, and then all I have to do is press it down, rub my thumb over it a few times, and then when I lift off, she says very carefully, the adhesive is left behind on the card. So I haven't had to really touch the adhesive at all. Then I can fold the cracker round, and to get it lined up, what I do is I grab hold of, so here's the adhesive, here's the piece I'm going to attach to it. I grab hold of those two sections either side, and I try and do it with my thumb and my middle finger. Then with my forefinger I can just press that into place. So it's important to get it really well adhered. So now with the adhesive here, I'm going to take my bone folder and just rub that nice and firmly along the edge, and the cracker is put together. Then all you have to do is take your twine, put it around one end of the cracker. For this one I've chosen the black twine that came in the kit. Put it very gently, and now I'm going to make a double knot to hold it in place. All fingers and thumbs here, so make sure that that is, first knot is nice and tight like that, and then the second knot can go into place, and then I just tie a bow, and it's as simple as that. So hopefully that has given you an idea for how to attach these adhesive strips without getting your fingers all sticky, and actually getting it in the right place so that you can make these crackers fun. And whether you have them for Halloween, for Thanksgiving, or whether you turn them into Halloween, as I'm going to do this one, actually putting the crackers together really is very simple. So thank you very much for watching. I'm going to attempt to get this uploaded before the storm takes the power out, and if I do, then obviously you'll be watching this. If there's any other paper crafting tips and tricks and inspiration you want, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. The icon is just down below. Make sure you click on the bell as well, and that means you'll get an email notification every time I publish a new video. And you can also find daily inspiration and a new project over on my blog, and you'll find that at www papercraftwithme.com. Now, until then, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you'll join me again soon. Bye.